Welcome to Arun classes. Hello friends, I am Arun and our today's topic is Agriculture Part 1 and this is the fourth chapter of Geography of class 10th, and according to our regular strategy we will first discuss the NCERT based theory of this chapter, then we will cover all the important question answer of this chapter, and at last the video we will get a test to test ourselves. So let's start friends. Agriculture Part 1. First of all, we will look that which topics we are going to cover in this video. So our first topic will be the agriculture. Means we will discuss here the definition and features of agriculture. Then we will discuss the types and cropping pattern of the agriculture. Our first topic is agriculture and its features. So the first point of agriculture is a primary activity, and India is an agricultural country. Why? Because 2/3 of India's population is engaged in agriculture, and it accounts for about 17% of Indian GDP. And the share of agriculture in our GDP is decreasing nowadays. Why? Because the industry and services sector are increasing, but on the time of independence agriculture was on high level. That's why our country was known as the agriculture country. But still the agriculture is the backbone of our industrial and the services sector. That's why agriculture topic is more important for us. Let's move. Our next topic is types of farming. So first of all we will take a look on the classification of farming. So farming is divided into two categories. First subsistence farming, and second one is commercial farming. Then subsistence farming is also divided into two categories: primitive subsistence farming, and second one is intensive subsistence farming. Same with commercial farming, it is also divided into two categories: first mixed farming, and second one is plantation farming. Now we discuss on the definition and features of each type. First, we have two categories of farming: subsistence and commercial. So what are the difference between these two? The difference between these two is based on their purpose. The purpose in subsistence farming is subsistence, and the purpose in commercial farming is commercial according to their name. Now we can get the idea in deep. In subsistence farming, our aim or purpose of production is subsistence. Means here we produce the production for to fulfill our needs only, to fulfill our needs of our family. And if we talk about the commercial farming, here the purpose of production, we produce the production to fulfill our commercial purpose, to sell the production to get profit. That's why it is called commercial farming. And if we talk about the other differences between these two, so in subsistence farming we used few tools and techniques and laborer, and in commercial farming we used many tools and techniques with much labor. So these all are the differences between subsistence and commercial farming. Now we will explain these four types of farming one by one with their diagrams. First we will start with two types of subsistence farming. First primitive subsistence farming, and second one is intensive subsistence farming. So how can get the ideas of definition? We can get the ideas of their definition according to their diagrams. Here the diagrams of primitive, here the diagram of intensive. So the primitive subsistence farming was an old way of farming, and it is also done in a few of these areas of present day world. So what is the process here? So the first step here is that old people were used to slash and burn the some areas clear path of land to produce production, and after then they produce the production with their family members, and whatever they got they survive on it. After this cultivation they left that land and burn it. That's why this farming is also known as slash and burn farming. So it was the process of primitive subsistence farming. Now we talk about the intensive subsistence farming. So first we have to see that these both are the part of subsistence farming. So here the purpose is subsistence in primitive and in intensive too. So the purpose of intensive farming is to subsistence, but what is the difference between these two? The difference is that in primitive subsistence farming only family members can produce, and in intensive subsistence farming a whole community of people, for example villagers, will grow the production for their needs. Means whole community produce the production, they share their tools and techniques, they produce together and they share the production with all the members accordingly. So this is all about the subsistence farming. Means two types of subsistence farming, primitive and intensive. Now we have to talk about the other names of shifting cultivation. Means shifting cultivation is known also various names in various places. So the other names of shifting cultivations are zooming cultivation, zooming, slash and burn farming, and Walre in Rajasthan, zooming in eastern states, Pamlu in Manipur, Deepa in Andaman and Nicobar, Milpa in Mexico, Conuco in Venezuela, Roca in Brazil, Masole in Africa, Ray in Vietnam. So these all are the other names of shifting cultivation. And now turn to the next topic, the two types of commercial farming. First one is mixed farming and the second one is plantation farming. So here we have many similarities between these two, but first of all we will talk about the differences between these two. So the main difference between these two is that in mixed farming we grow more than two crops and with the animal rearing on a large farm, on a single farm, or in the plantation farming we focus on only single crop on a large area. So this is the main difference between these two, that we can grow the many, or we can say the more than two ways in mixed farming, and we can grow or get production in only one crop, only from single crop in plantation farming. So this is the main difference between these two. Now we will talk about the similarities between these two. So first similarity between these two is the purpose. They both have the same purpose, they produce the production to sell and get profit, so their purpose is commercial. That's why these two are the parts of commercial farming. And second similarities between these two is they both get many tools and techniques, they both get much laborer, they both have to spend a lot of money to produce the production, and also they both get the much production than subsistence farming. So these all are the similarities, or we can say the features of mixed and plantation farming. Now go to the next topic. Our next topic is cropping pattern. Means the cropping pattern in India have divided into three cropping seasons. First, Rabi season, second one is Kharif season, and the third one is Zaid season. So first of all we will take a look on the duration of the particular season. Start with Rabi. So the duration of Rabi season is from October December to April June. So this is the duration of winter. That's why this is also known as winter season. And if you talk about the Kharif season, means the duration of Kharif season, so it starts from June July to September October. And if we talk about the duration of Zaid, so the duration of Zaid is between Rabi and Kharif season, especially in summers in the month of June and July. Now we will talk about the examples of Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. So here are the few examples of Rabi: wheat, grams, barley, peas, mustard. These all are the examples of Rabi. And if we talk about the examples of Kharif, so here are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, paddy. These all are the examples of Kharif in India. And if we talk about the examples of Zaid, so here are the examples of Zaid: fruits, vegetables and fodder crops. So these all are about the cropping pattern, and here our today's topic is completed. Here today we have learned about the agriculture and its definition, types of farming and their features, and the last topic is cropping pattern and their detailed information. So now you have to get the ideas of this complete information, and you have to get ready for the test of this detail. Now get ready for the test with pen paper. You have to take a pen paper for the test. In this test you will get 5 MCQs question, and you have to write down the right answers according to you, and you have to match your answers in the result given at last the video. So let's start. Our first question: what kind of economic activity is agriculture? Primary, secondary and tertiary. Second question of the test is: which type of farming focuses on more than one crop production? Intensive farming, mixed farming or plantation farming? Our third question is: shifting cultivation is known by which name in northeastern states? Deepa, Milpa or Jhuming? And our fourth question is: which of the following is the winter cropping season? Rabi season, Kharif season and Zaid season. Fifth and last question of the test is: which of the following is the summer cropping season? Option A Rabi, B Kharif and C Zaid. So here are the all right answers on your screen. You have to match your answers, and if you are scoring more than 3, so you are getting the information in right way. If you are unable to get 3, so you have to watch this video again and you have to understand this topic again. So our today's video is completed here. If you are getting very well, so please like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification of our video. Thanks to watch.